Ready to add a headboard to your GhostBed Adjustable Base? Headboard brackets can be purchased separately and are easy to attach in just 5 simple steps. Before you start, refer to the included instructions and make sure you have all of the parts you'll need. You'll notice you have a few extra wood screws and washers. These can be used on your actual headboard if you need them. We'll begin with your adjustable base top side down. Step 1. Align the mounting bracket so the slot lines up perpendicular with the leg hole and the end extends past the top edge of your base. Step 2. Screw the leg in to hold the mounting bracket in place. Repeat steps 1 and 2 on the other side. Step 3. Screw the remaining legs in and flip your base so it's top side up. Step 4. Align the T-plate against the mounting bracket. You've got a few options, so you'll want to measure to see how your particular headboard lines up. Step 5. Insert a bolt with one washer inward through the T-plate. Add a nut and washer on the other side to hold the bolt in place, and then tighten using the wrench. Repeat on the other side. And that's it! You'll now be able to attach your headboard to the brackets. Add your retainer bar at the foot of the bed, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Our GhostBed sleep experts are happy to help.